What's going on, guys? It's Bo Maximum RPM coming at you with another video today. And in this video, we're going to be addressing my Traxxas 4Tech, which I've been attempting to make into a budget drift car. And by that, I mean, I'm trying to see if I can get it to drift like a drift car. Now, you can obviously do that by going and getting some drift tires, which I did. I broke the rims on. I'm into 3D printing. I have a 3D printer, and I was wondering, can I 3D print tires? And, well, it worked, but not that well. So, in this video, I'm going to be trying something completely new. I took my 3D printer, and I 3D modeled new drift tires. Now, you'll notice something kind of interesting here. You'll notice that the back tires are a lot bigger than the front. And in fact, the original tires are smaller than the ones on the front. Or they're bigger than the ones on the front, but smaller than the ones on the rear. Now what this is going to do is give me a 25% underdrive in the rear. What I'm essentially trying to do is underdrive the rear so it pushes and hopefully drifts better. If there's a serious mechanical issue that's going to fail, which hopefully there won't be, I'll make sure to inform you. So, it's a 25% overdrive for the rear, or underdrive for the front, however you want to look at it. And, there's some people that are probably really, really upset with me for doing this. I don't care. We're gonna have fun. So, I'll go get the battery, and we'll head it right out to the garage. Let's get right into this. Alright, so I got the 4Tech, and I did also make the spokes thicker, so hopefully I won't smash them again. So, I got one kind of wobbly wheel in the front. I'm not sure why it's doing that, but it'll be alright. After all, that looks so dumb. It's not the most aesthetically pleasing the Trans Am has ever looked. The back end just looks kind of goofy, but let's figure out how it drifts. I can feel the difference. You can definitely tell that there are two different size wheels going on here. Because the handle's kind of funny, but... may have been a little bit much. Alright, so we're going to try and hold a figure 8. and it might just be a little bit of a misprint in one of the wheels, because it definitely hooks harder to the right, and the back two wheels are exactly the same, and the front two wheels are exactly the same. So I'm guessing there's a slight misprint in the front right, because it definitely likes hooking that way more than the other. It's really easy to start it drifting, however, it kind of wants to keep drifting. It's easier to blow a 180 right off the bat, and it's kind of hard to actually get it drifting well, but once it's going, it kind of wants to stay going in one direction. So I might need to mess around a little bit and try to get the gearing a little bit better, because 25 seems a little bit aggressive. So I'm going to leave this right here, guys. I'm going to fiddle around a little bit off camera, try to figure it out more. And we might come back with these exact tires another day when I have a little bit more practice. So it definitely drifts, and it definitely drifts different than than when they were exactly the same. I almost think when they were all exactly the same, it felt easier to control. It's definitely easier to get this thing sideways, but it's harder to keep it that way. So take that information and use it as you will. Alright guys, that's about it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications so you get all my videos, because I upload frequently. As always, hope this video makes your day just a little bit better. Live life to the max and stay awesome. Exactly 12 seconds after the video ended, my dad smashed the side of the garage wall with the back end of the Fortec, and it split the wheel, and it splintered it because we kept drifting because it was really funny. And we switched, and then shortly after I plowed the front end into the wall. So what I've learned is I'm really rough on drift tires.